Okay everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick project on how to rename files, text files on your desktop. So I'm going to create a link to the desktop. Here, let's just increase the font size on here. So my scalar path, and this is linked to my desktop, which is going to be C users mark desktop. Now this is a unique link to my desktop path. This won't be the same for yours, so you will have to find your own unique desktop path, or else if you simply type this in, it'll throw an error. Okay, we're just changing directories now to that path. Right, so what I'm going to do, create a subroutine called sub rename files. Okay, so that's the subroutine created. Now we're going to create another scalar variable called my old name. So that's my old name. And we're going to type in prompt here to get the user input. I'm going to tell the user what to do. Old file name. So the user will type in the old file name in here. And then here, I'm going to create another scalar variable called new name. Assign it again to prompt to get user input, and new file name. So what happens here is the user will type in the old file name, and then they will type in a new file name to change it to. Okay, so we'll come on to the conditional here. So if scalar old name.io input output .e exists, so if that file exists, we're going to rename it. We're going to rename it from the old name to the new name. Okay, and then we're going to print this out to the user. We'll say old name here, renamed to scalar new name. Or else simply going to type say an error occurred. This is my error handler here. An error occurred. Okay, let's just run the program. Let's call it and run the program. So it's going to be called rename files. Okay, let's just save it there. And I've got a file on the desktop here called file1.txt. I want to rename that, so let's run the program. Q test.raku. Hit enter. Okay, old name. It's going to be files1.txt. New name. File xxx.txt. Hit enter. Renamed, so let's check if it's renamed, and there you go, it's been renamed. Okay, so let's just clear this here. We'll just do a shorter version of this. So we'll just knock that out there. Let's get a little bit bigger as well. Shorter version of this. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to do my scalar old name. Okay. Let's have a look. So let's say file. Let's just check this file name out. File xxx .txt. So that's the file on the desktop that we just renamed. This is going to be my scalar new name is equal to, we're just going to give it some silly name like that so it'll stand out, txt. So it'll stand out. There we go. So all we do here again is rename. That's going to be old name. Going to rename it from the old name to the new name there. Then once we've done that, we just tell the user, print them out a message. File renamed. There we go. Save it and we run the program. So that's going to be Raku test.raku. Hit enter. Okay, file rename. Let's check that out, shall we? So there we go, it's been renamed. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? There's a subscribe button below. Just make sure you hit it, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.